Hello, assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So today we wanna share our journey with English Lab. Also, we have gotten a lot of grace from English Lab. So already my friend Hussein, he has gotten from here. So if you want, you can see in front of us. There are a lot of cases here. So I wanna ask some question, and I think he will reply me. So first of all, hello sir, how are you sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. So what about you?
Also, I'm over the moon. So I think some time ago you have complete a task. I think it was a farewell. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have gotten some craze from there. I think one you have gotten.
Yes.
So how did you get?
Actually, um, I was here to learn English. So our course duration was 3 months. Today, 3 months has gone. So
Okay.
today today is our farewell
Okay.
farewell day. So in farewell, in ceremony, I got skirt as a reward because of I dedicated uh, 3 months with this institute.
Okay.
So, uh, on behalf of this authority, they have given us a reward.
Also, not only you, but also me. We have got both together this craze. So, how are you feeling now after getting this craze?
Yes. Now I'm really excited because of one day I wouldn't speak English. Now I can speak English so well.
Okay.
Uh, the reward is not a big deal, but I can speak English. That is
Yes,
big
it's
matter.
the main
Thi-
point.
This this is my turning point.
Yes.
So that's why I'm so excited. So how will I make someone understand this feeling?
Okay. So I will ask another question.
You
So
can ask.
already have complete 3 month course from English Lab, and I think it was a good uh, time for you. Am
Yeah,
I
in my
right?
life.
And also you have gotten a lot of friend from English Lab. Also you have made. Am I right?
Yeah.
And on the other hand, already have complete your course from here. And now, what will you do? And what will you do in your future? May I know from you?
Actually, if I say about that, I'm a student of madrasa. I studied at madrasa for a long time, from my childhood until now. So, in my past, I had a big dream to in future to be a preacher of Islam.
Okay.
So that's why, and English language as a international language. So I thought if I learn this language, I can convey this all messages of Islam uh, nearby lot of people.
Okay.
If I know this language, so for this reason, I learned already. I completed 3 months, and in future I will carry my journey, and also so may Allah give me capability. I one day I will go nearby everyone for making them understand
Okay.
about Islam.
So I wanna ask another question. I think 2 day or 3 day later you will leave this place. So that time when you will leave this place, that time I will feel alone. So how will I meet with you? So may I know from you?
Actually, this is a go of the world.
Yes.
We are not permanent in this
Yes.
world. This world also temporary. So I studied in one madrasa in past, and after finishing 3 years, I joined at another madrasa. So there I got lot of people, lot of friends. So one day I need to leave them. After leaving this institute, inshallah, I will call you. I will
And we will
keep
make any
my
kind of place. And when you will call me, that time I will receive your call, and then we will go to any kind of good place. Then after going there, we'll meet and we'll eat something from there. Also, we'll gossip. Okay. So if you want, you can call another friend because of we are both same best student. So that's why I when you will leave this place and after that I will feel alone because of we are my best friend. So that's why. Yes. So and also I will ask another question. Why have you complete your English course? I think will you give IELTS exam or won't?
Before time, I had no like that idea, but when I complete this course and I saw that I'm able to speak English. So if I
Also,
get
this type of problem
so
also I have faced because of when I came here before time I couldn't speak English, but right now I am able to speak English.
So
So
I thought as now I have a capability
yes.
for speaking English. So if I take exam, if I take IELTS exam, I will get lot of opportunity from our
I
country,
think
and
right
I can
now
enter